May it please Allah, my lord, I'm sorry for an unusual prayer. Item number 39 is related to a person being detained under the Passport Act to declare that he is a foreigner having a dual passports. Though there was a bail order passed in Madras High Court and there is no foreigners tribunal, he has been transferred here. Again, his bail has been rejected by the tribunal. Now I have filed this petition is pending. My application for bail is there, Bharat. So if your lordship can take up at 2 p.m. Item 39.
May please, Your Lord. I beg to mention for listing one item for motion.
Item number 22, my lord, my friend with consent, my lord. My lord, there is another writ appeal, my lord, is there, my lord. There is two judgment, my lord. My lord, there is the WBC 6213 of 2013 and WBC number 7209 of 2013, common judgment. So, my lord, in that case, we also file appeal, my lord. My lord, problem is that in that case, my lord, in this case, condonation is delay is condoned, my lord, present case. And another case is this delay condonation notice is issued. My friend received the notice, my lord. It is not listed. So, may I pray, my lord, this matter may become along with this matter, my lord, because common judgment, my lord. And my lord, under that impression, my lord, today I'm not prepared also this complicated. My lord, your lord. My lord, the
hearing day, your lord.
17th February, my lord. 17th February, my lord.
17th February.
Yes, my lord.
I think hearing day, your lord.
Hearing day,
This prior to 17th,
Because-
it will be better, your lord. Matter has been pending since long time, since 2013, actually.
This appeal is of 25.
25th, my lord.
Appeal is of 25,
Yes.
decided in 25, your lord.
Yes, my lord. 17, my lord, the other.
17. Says a representative. It submitted that
I'll give the IN number.
oh, the delay is not condoned.
My lord, same case, my lord, there's only.
No. Then you see the adjournment of this matter would create difficulty. Because on 17th of February, when you're getting that listed,
My lord, in the meantime, I'll list the matter, my lord, for delay matter, my lord, in the meantime, my lord. In the meantime, my lord.
because on that day we did not adjourn the matter.
No, my lord,
Just
no.
because the other cases
No,
are
my
not
lord, no,
ready.
my lord, no, my lord.
That both sides are represented. On the prayer made by Mr. S.K. Mehdi, learned counsel for the appellant, list the matter on 17/2/2026.
Yes. In the meantime, I'll everything.
May you please, your lordships. Just wait. Senior is standing behind.
Yeah, only one day, my lord. It's item number 7. Can be taken day after tomorrow. Though it is a matter of 2019.
Okay. Both sides are represented. The prayer made by Mr. Edar, and senior counsel for the petitioner, list the matter on behalf of 30 January.
I'd like to mention item number 30. But if there is a IA and I am for the petitioner for this IA, but if may adjourn the matter on today with the consent of the other side.
What is this IA for?
IA for implementation of party in this PIL.
Then we are not adjourning it. IAs will not be kept pending.
So I am on behalf of S. Roma Lordship.
No, whatever be, but IAs we are not keeping pending.
But if adjourn
Just wait till the matter is
adjourn
called.
for today only.
It's okay. IAs we are not keeping it pending. Just wait till your turn comes. Till the matter is called, please wait.
Leave the best.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17, Lordship, for adjournment. Lordship.
17 is 2019 matter. Please wait till the matter is called.
Lordship, we need some time
No,
to,
whatever be the reason, but 2019 matter, please wait. During the prayer when the matter is called.
May I please, Your Lordship? So I beg to mention item number 5. Learned counsel for the petitioner, he is out of station.
No, let the matter be called. 2019 matter.
Lordship, I am not engaged in this matter as such.
Whatever be, we will not pass without looking at the record.
Hello. May it please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 27. On last occasion, Your Lordship, interim protection was granted and tribunal records were called for. In this matter, Your Lordship, the engaged counsel is met with an accident, and if the tribal records are present, any date may be fixed to them.
Item. Item number.
Also, that
Item number 27.
it is submitted that the council holding the peak has suffered an accident. According to matters stands at now today, based on when,
Any date, Your Lordship.
you date after a week.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, your lordships? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 1. Lordship, we have applied for a
No,
copy.
we will pass, we will take up the matter and then pass orders. Without looking at the record, we are not adjourning 19 and 2020 matters.
Daily list item 1 for motion.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, actually, we have applied for a copy, but do not receive yet. Kindly give it short date.
First item 1, I 5819 order to stop. Actually, you can be confirming. You can, you want the petition copy, you can take the photocopy and give it back. File letter, order to. Yeah, episode order 9.
You're seeking for adjournment on third occasion today continuously.
Yes,
We'll observe that on the next date, if the matter, you don't do the matter, the interim order would be revoked. Your bail would be revoked if you don't do the matter. What says it? On the prayer made by the counsel for the petitioner. The matter is adjourned consecutively for the third time. Accordingly, comment is provided that if on the next date of listing, any prayer for adjournment is made, the petitioner put to notice that the interim order asked. The petitioner is put to notice that if on the next date of listing, our prayer for adjournment is made by the made on behalf of the petitioner, the interim order passed on 3/6/2019 may be revoked. Next one. List on 9/2/2026.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item 2 for motion.
There is no representation from the petitioner. Okay, second consecutive day on call. Okay. The second day of, on the second continuous date on call on second consecutive date. On 19/1/2026, for range of justice, the matter was adjourned. Next, accordingly, it appears that the petitioner is not interested to pursue this matter. Accordingly, the requisition stands dismissed for non-prosecution. Interim order passed on 10/6/2019 stands revoked. Next. The learned standing of the FT matters shall transmit a downloaded copy of this order to the concerned authorities to bring the order to the notice of the said authorities. Next. The tribunal's records shall be retained for a period of 30 days from the date of the order, and thereafter be returned back to the concerned learned tribunal, along with a copy of the order to be made a part of record by the said learned tribunal for future reference. If it not, we check and it can go.
Item 3.
This is the option. First, the petitioner was declared foreigner. The impugn order dated 22/2019, my lord. This is at page number 23, my lord.
But two of the documents which are your only linked documents,
My lord.
two documents which are your only two linked documents,
My
their
lord, yes.
authors were not examined.
My lord, yes, my lord, in 2018, my lord, petitioner's name along with his father's and mother's appeared. My lord, it is exhibited, but it is not discussed in your opinion, my lord. Exhibit 9, my lord.
Exhibit 9.
Yes, my lord. Page 45. 40. Or 41. No, it is in page number 41, my lord.
The traveler has not recorded the exhibit number,
My
but
lord.
it has discussed it. Come to page 27, third last paragraph. From the exhibit, it's not possible to ascertain the person name is so-and-so and the same is person in the voter list of 2018. 2018 is exhibit 9. It is only, there's an omission of writing the exhibit number.
Exhibit number.
It has been discussed.
My lord, and moreover, my lord, that Gambura certificate was there, he was examined also. That is also, my lord, rejected by the tribunal, my lord.
Rampura,
Yes, my lord. This is DW two, my lord.
that is exhibit one.
My lord.
Here also tribunal appears to have made a mistake. This DW. Sorry, DW two.
My lord.
Come to page 25. In the middle. In the middle, there is a discussion of the evidence of DW.
The discussion is there, my lord, but the tribunal simply rejected that the evidence, my lord.
Let us see the exhibited documents. Exhibit. Which is exhibit one page.
My lord, page number 51 is the original.
51, you see, on the face of it, it becomes inadmissible. You know the reasons why.
Any other? Maybe Anjana had appeared to. Which one was that? You must be able to. Seven.
Item 4.
Hmm.
Madam, petition to the number of Koilu,
কি দিম
petition for that.
আরে মই কেনেকৈ কেছ কৰিম আপোনাক
Just no good, I'm not ready.
কি হৈছে আপুনি appeal কৰিছিলে নেকি
Suleiman আছে, ঠিক আছে, Suleiman হেল্ডিং কৰি আছে, Suleiman আমার।
আপোনাৰ কেছ নহয়
হুম।
আপোনাৰ কেছ নহয়
না, কেসটা আমারই হয়ে গেছে।
নেক্সট টু দি আছে
হুম।
6
হুম।
কৰিব নে নকৰে
না। ডেটটা টুমরো লইল।
Please, I will be anything.
Matter will be taken up day after tomorrow.
Silent. Nine, 10 nasa 11 nasa 12. Admission sign.
Miller. 7. Yes. This is Saturday. Oh, it's 7th. Yes. Only by for
Lordship.
may not be there.
I'm coming back on Sunday.
Item 5.
I'm on too many holidays these days, Lordship. 8 to 5 to 19, 8 to 7 to when it exclusive.
Lordship, as the counsel for the petitioners, Mr. PC Dev is out of station. And leave note is already submitted before the registrar. So I have been instructed by learned counsel to inform regarding the same before this honorable court. So any convenient date of this honorable court may be fixed. Highly advised.
Item 6 for motion.
Lordship, kindly for timing also on the, no, deeply.
Item 8 for motion.
They've been sent back.
Send back already.
Send back already.
It's already in order on 15/12. On 15/12, we recorded that the person has been sent back.
Yes. Yes.
We adjourn the matter to enable you to obtain instructions.
Obtain instruction. I want to know, my lord, whether any handing over, taking over between the two countries, my lord. And that's maybe not, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, picked up the person, my lord. Sent back the Bangladesh, my lord. Bangladesh did not receive, my lord. What happened, my lord? At least there must be a handing over, taking over the, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, their instruction include in lordship because when my instructions say it has send back.
Date to delivery, along with the list.
It's a case of pushback or what?
Miss Sunny or bicycle. December of the person. Send back.
You get instructions, and if they have been sent back without any documentation, then an affidavit has to be filed by person with authority saying that he has been sent back to this, for the area. That's
No.
possible.
Let me have this.
How much time?
2 weeks, Lordship.
On by order dated 13/12/2025, comma, this court had recorded that the declared foreign national, comma, namely, comma, Mohammed MD, Mohammed Mahib, MAHIB, Ali, comma, was declared to be a foreigner by opinion dated 22/6/2012, passed by the learned member of Foreigners Tribunal, Golaghat, in case number capital FTG, full stop, 519/07, has been sent to Bangladesh. The matter was adjourned to enable the learned counsel for the petitioner to fill instructions. Next paragraph. Mr. A.M. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, has said that the authorities may discuss regarding the manner as to how the said declared foreign national has been sent back. Next paragraph. All the respondents are reflected. Mr. S.S. Royal and its CEC raised for 2 weeks time to enable him to obtain instructions. Next. It's provided that in the event the said declared foreign national has been sent back to Bangladesh, without any written documentation, comma, competent authority of the respondent number
Itu biasanya itu kayak bisa sharing gitu sama gitu.
Just say, fill instructions. And
Itu experimental gitu harus jadi itu nama betul itu lah.
use the same instead of the same. Mr. Ahmed,
Mira.
you will have to file an interlocutory application to impede the government of India. They are not respondents here. So unless you impede, we can't, in fact, we were ordering a affidavit to be filed, but we can't direct the
Central government.
India they are not respondents. You have to file an interlocutory application for impeding them.
Mira, yes, Mira.
Unless you do so, we can't direct them to file an affidavit. They are assisting the court at our instance, but they are not respondents. Next, CGC may send the downloaded copy of this order to the complaint authority to bill instructions. Much. List on, give a date after 2 weeks.
God bless.
Need to video.
Item 9. Item 9.
May, please, Your Lordship. My lord, the improving opinion is at page number 81 onwards, my lord. My lord, in this case, my lord, here the petitioner has been declared as foreigner without specifying any stream, my lord, of foreigner, category of foreigner. My lord, even then after, my lord, in concluding the proceeding, my lord, if I have been held to be a foreigner post pre 71, my lord, then I will get the chance of registration, my lord, of my name, my lord. As per section 6 or 8, my lord. Sorry, my lord.
Reference.
My lord, I don't have the copy of reference, my lord. And further, my lord, the matter, my lord, I have examined my elder brother, my lord, and Gabura, my lord. Certificate was, my lord, 80, my lord. Yes, my lord. Lordship, yes.
Golpara, my lord.
Item 10.
May it please, your lordship. Lordship, opinion is at page number 29, your lordship, passed by the member foreigners tribunal, Bongaigaon number 2, your lordship, order dated 26/11/2025, your lordship. Lordship. Bongaigaon.
Nothing.
Item 11.
Lordship, impugn order is at page number 28, your lordship.
Is the date.
Lordship, impugn order dated 26/2/24, your lordship, passed by the learned members,
20.
foreigners tribunal, Fort Nagaon, your lordship. Lordship. Highly obliged, your lordship.
37, 58.
Item 12.
Lordship, I am praying for Lordship. It may be taken after some time, Lordship. The learned Mr. Z Hussain is next before another court, Lordship.
I'm sorry, Lordship. I'm a bit late. Lordship. Lordship, it is Kamrup, Lordship, DCP Kamrup. DCP Kamrup, Lordship. This is FT 4th Guwahati, Lordship. So DCP Kamrup. Lordship. The petitioner is from Mongolden, Lordship. Actually, it falls under Mongolden PS, Lordship. That is why Online motion.
Time being item 6 for motion.
May I please? Lordship. Earlier order dated 16/8 has been complied by the petitioner. Earlier order dated 16/8/2019 has been complied by the petitioner and he has present before the DCP border. Wherein his biometrics and bail bond has been served.
Sixteen eight nineteen order to direction the same, okay, report about it.
Right order dated 16/8/19, a direction has been. May I please, Lordship?
Which page opinion?
Opinion is on which page?
The tribunal's opinion is in which page?
It is a right order dated 16/8/19 of this honorable court.
Opinion is of the tribunal is in which page?
Page 19. Is it 19? Check.
Yes,
It
your
order
opinion.
yet night. No, no. Trial court order, trial court order. Wait, no, 19, no. Wait.
Judgment against judgment dated in page number 19,
Access to-
annexure 2.
Hmm?
Compliance report আইছেন
No compliance.
ডিসপ্লে ক্লিয়ার কৰিব কাৰণে ডিসিপি বৰ্ডৰ তো
Hmm. So,
বায়োমেট্ৰিক্স দিব কাৰণে
you go to court, you go on the merits now, you go on this. Show the best linkage document.
Yes, please make your submissions.
Yes, may I please? The foreign tribunals has rejected documents merely because they were Xerox secondary copies and held they are inadmissible. And other part, the foreign tribunals also treated the voter list, draft chitta, NRC legacy as weak or inadmissible. Further, the foreign tribunal rejected the linkage due to age variation and minor discrepancies in the voter list.
What is wrong in that? Can a photocopy be admissible in evidence?
I have given the linkage of my father, grandfather, and great grandfather.
Question was different. You are answering a different thing.
May I please, Your Honor?
You see, you said that the photocopies were rejected. The question is, under which law the photocopy, rejection of photocopy exhibits is.
I have
is
also
wrong.
submitted certified copies of voter list, and I have also applied for summons and which are issued to the concerned authorities, but they have not turned up during the trial proceeding.
But then you are required to take steps in accordance with law if they didn't turn up.
Page 42, Annexure 5A is the summon issued to the officer, deputy commissioner. And the same was duly received by them.
Page.
Page 42 and 44. Page 33, Annexure 4B is a certified copy of voter list of my grandfather. Page 30 is the Sita copy land
We are
holding.
certain that you have not gone through the records. These records, you did not have time to go through it. Ms. Verma, look at this record. Please emphasize. Come over here and look at the order.
This is just summoning the deputy commissioner election.
You should be. We need to.
Next order, Lordship. It says that the CD does not want to examine this. This is.
I made an incorrect fact.
Yes.
Of-
Uh,
We have taken.
No, you have taken, but then again, the proceeding does not want to examine any other witness. Evidence is closed on 211. You say they did not appear, but here they themselves would ask not to be examined.
Later on.
Not later on.
11, 10, 15.
Mr. Thompson, we have appeared before the tribunal, right?
Yes, sir.
You only represented the case.
Yes. Sir.
So you should be aware of this.
So I have submitted before them also that we need the person concerned of the authorities. And in this regard, we have sent already two summons also to them.
Read the order.
Have we gone through? Kindly a chance may be given to represent myself to prove my citizenship.
So let us see how
Because
many
we have
let us see
complied all
matter
the
first.
things.
Then we'll think. Yes. You have already got an opportunity.
Order to discuss the আমি close story করতে চলি। Petition दिया ना?
আমি তো রিটার্ন রেকর্ড দিয়ে ওই লোক পাওয়া নাই ওই তো
গঙ্গা কোনো petition আছে না? গঙ্গা কোনো petition আছে না? ওই দিলে তো petition ওলাই বলে দিতে হবে। কেন মনে মনে থাকাই ভালো।
May I please, Lordship?
For production or for calling for the deputy commissioner,
Yes, Lordship.
correct? This process was issued on 15/9/2018. We don't know who advised, who was the advisor to the, who was the counsel for the petitioner, but apparently an incorrect steps has been taken. The burden is on the petitioner to prove it, and you get a summons issued to the deputy commissioner to come and prove the documents. Deputy commissioner will not come and prove the documents, and that to a voters list.
Lordship,
You have
apart from this,
You have to call him as a, you have to call him as a election, says, literally the election officer. That's one. Second is that you were required to take steps by registered post with AD. There's nothing on record to show that you have taken steps. The registered post AD is not here. And then you admit to the court that you don't want to examine it and you proceed further. The other documents are not proof, they're all photocopies.
the steps are taken as per registered post as white page number 43 and 45 are the track reports of the India Post.
We don't know about it because it's not there in the record.
Apart from this, Lordship, in page
No,
number
no, apart
20,
from- First, end this matter. You raised a point that has to be understood first. Now, do you concede that the record of the steps is not there in the record? The steps taken is not on record. If you have not put it on record, the tribunal is not obliged to issue any further steps because you have admitted you want to close the evidence. Close the matter? Please stop here then.
Lordship,
to
my
next one.
brother is also become proceeding, and it is from page number 25 of the judgment. Last para, last part of the said page. The proceeding at the time of argument has submitted a copy of the opinion dated 19/4/2016, passed by my learned predecessor in FT DV case number 268/2015, Mohammad Kanchu Mia versus Union of India, wherein the said Kanchu Mia is declared as not a foreigner, and the proceeding represented by his learned counsel has claimed that Kanchu Mia as his brother. Apparently, judgment was passed on 19/4/2016, and notice of this present reference was sent on this. And the proceeding has not been shown any reason which has precluded the proceeding for the impleading about the facts and the contents of the judgment in his WS and evidence. The proceeding in his cross-examination has uttered for the first time that Kanchu Mia and Saija are the children from his stepmother, etc.
Why is this finding wrong?
And from the close look at the judgment, it also transpired that my learned predecessor delivered the judgment on the basis of computer-generated NRC details, panchayat and Gaunpura certificate, etc., which this tribunal respectfully differs so far as it relates to the proceeding and the documents produced and marked in this reference, in the present reference.
So why this finding is incorrect according to you?
It was later on marked as that the proceeding has not examined any witness except the proceeding to corroborate his projection. As regards
See,
to this,
since the beginning of this matter, We have been asking you questions and you either you don't listen to us or you disrespectfully go on in the manner you want to proceed with the matter. We have asked questions not for nothing. If you don't want to respond, tell us, I am not responding.
No, Lordship.
End of the matter. But don't make us ponder over the question we have put you and you are not responding to it. You see, the issue, if it is not citizenship, we would have dismissed it, this matter 10 minutes back. It's an issue of citizenship, we are asking you questions. Either you respond to it, or next time onwards, we are not listening to it. That question will never be asked. And you will not be asked to respond to it after some time.
No,
You ask you a
Lordship,
question, you respond there and then.
I apologize for that.
You have asked you a question, you made that submission, why is that finding wrong? Please respond to it.
The learned tribunal has found it. In regard to his brother, in page number 26, at the first, third line.
Please tell us in your written statement, where is the reference to your brother? You filed your written statement on 4/7/2017.
Yes.
By then, the opinion was already there. Now tell us which paragraph in your written statement you have made reference to your said brother?
No.
You have not made. Now, please tell me, please answer a second query, supplementary query. Can you lead evidence without pleadings?
No, Lord.
Yes, now please proceed. You have a copy of the cross-examination of DW1?
No, Lordship.
Which page is that opinion of yours that your brother, projected brother, where is that?
In page number 25 of the judgment.
Petition.
Copy of.
Yes.
Copy of property.
Yes.
No, Lordship, it was not annexed.
So, on what basis we said it? Have you seen the LCR? Record, you seen it?
He did not have time.
It is there.
It is not there.
It's not there.
I think it is not there. But I have submitted.
That's the
The-
difficulty. This is a
findings of
proceeding
the other,
where, this is a proceeding where we are dependent solely on the records of the tribunal. And you don't have time to look into it. We are telling you for the second time, it's only the question of citizenship we are tolerating you. We have dismissed it long back. Our conscience is prevailing over us to hear the matter, to look into the documents.
Your lordship may kindly
mind
allow
is-
some time, I will go
The
through
mind
the.
is- No, we, after having spent time, we don't give that. Once we have looked into the trial court record, we have nothing more to ask you. You referred to that opinion of the tribunal, earlier tribunal which you submitted. What is the exhibit number? Can you tell us?
No,
No. Now we are asking a straightforward question. We are asking a question which will answer. In our order which we are proposing to write after conclusion of the hearing, do you want us to record your professional misconduct in handling this matter?
no, lordship.
Why? Why we should refrain ourselves from not putting down in the order that you have committed professional misconduct and refer you to the Bar Council? Why we should not do it?
Because
You are
I-
making false statement before the court. That is good enough reason for us to do it. You said that you have submitted the copy of the earlier opinion.
yeah,
Then you said that it is not there in the record. A photocopy is there on the record, but it is not enlisted as an exhibit.
it is not enlisted because it is submitted
So
at the time
without-
of argument.
Can you submit anything to the court and get away with it? And can that become a issue of argument before this court when we are exercising certiorari jurisdiction?
Presently, I don't have the copy of the said opinion. But earlier I
And you
had,
don't have the document, you don't have the time and energy to look into the LCR and you start arguing. You have taken 35 minutes right now. It's a professional misconduct. And we are going to write it in the order.
I have.
You don't get
carried-
away with this by making such submissions in the court.
I apologize
That
for
is
the
why
debt,
when we ask
but
you questions, you don't respond to anything. Now we got an answer why you're not responding. There's no pleading, there is no reference in the affidavit, evidence on affidavit with regard to that opinion. And you say that you have filed it. A document which is filed without there being a pleading or an evidence is nothing but a thrash in the file. It won't even be looked into. No document which is not an exhibited document can be looked into by a court. And that too in a certiorari jurisdiction.
my lordship, it was produced by the proceeding at the time of argument, which I have placed before the honorable FT.
That's why we are saying it's a professional misconduct when you're making the argument here. We are not saying that you have made professional misconduct when you handle the trial there. But now today you are making a professional misconduct.
Lordship, I have not submitted earlier, but I have submitted at the time of argument.
Can you do it? Is that the procedure prescribed in the Fairness Tribunal? Now you feign ignorance that you don't even know the procedure of before the tribunal.
As because I have got the opinion just before the argument and I have placed it before the honorable tribunal.
This is an admission of
At the
professional
ti- at the
misconduct there
time-
also. This is an admission of your professional misconduct before the tribunal also. We were not wanting to pen it down, but now you have given us that submission. You don't even know the procedure when you are handling the brief of your client. You don't know the procedure, you don't know the law, you don't know the, don't know the, what you call, manner in which the presentations are to be made before the court. No, sorry, we are dismissing the matter. We are not further inclined to hear you. Yes, Ms. Verma, look at this record. I flagged it in the down below. Before that, there is an evidence. In the evidence, it's not a enlisted document. Just call someone, will rise for the timing and come back. Every day I tell the lawyers to look into the record and then start your submissions. Today is the last date I have said that. Henceforth, I will never request a learned counsel to go through the LCR. Today is the last time I have been doing it. Every day, from the day I have been taking up this bench, I've been telling the learned counsel to look into the trial court record and then start your argument. I have failed.
I
Therefore,
apologize.
from today, I'll not be doing it.
I
That,
apologize for.
and don't show it to anyone unless unless the LCR, don't show it to anyone unless they make a request to the court. You hang a notice board now. From tomorrow, hang a notice board. LCR can be looked into only with the permission of the court. We stop that completely. No point losing my time and energy in telling the lawyers how to argue a brief where it is a record of the trial court. I've been wasting my time. I've realized it today. Right now, I'm a bit upset. Before I start the dictation, I take a 5-minute break and come back.
28 February.
28 February 2026. Extra copies in today's for the reports. The following event address of the Learned Tribunal. Next, prayer for bail shall be considered on the receipt of the tribunal's reports. Sure. Just a moment. Thus, in the meantime, if the petitioner named so-and-so is apprehended, alias so-and-so is apprehended, he shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court. To stop, the petitioner shall cause production of a certified copy of the order before the Superintendent of Police, Border, Moricon, to bring, this is which border, which?
Nagaon, Lordship.
Nagaon, to bring the order to the notice of the said account. List of the position is
27th February.
Upgraded item 30 for orders.
Lord, unregistered organization file an implement petition. Unregistered organization file an implement petition on last occasion Lordship raised an issue in the light of section 6 of the Society Registration Act.
Here an adjournment slip has been.
Yes, madam. Yes.
Was given. In the morning, a mention was made, but we The petition for journalist slip was issued. In the morning, we disallowed the.
Yes,
journalist
well,
because
that's-
we wanted to. We don't want to keep this IAS pending.
Yes, well,
It's not there. Take it up on Monday then. There's no representation from the petitioner, Mr. Flower. And adjournment slip has been circulated for. That will be circulated by the applicant. You can be applicant, huh? Mr. S. Samadhi, the petitioning person is present, all the respondents are presented. The matter stands adjourned today, list again on
2nd of February.
2nd of February.
but if
Upgraded item 31 for orders.
Lordship, there is delay in filing the review application. Lordship.
We
Lordship,
should place only before or after? Only 2317 days delay, or we should say 2317 days delay only.
Lordship, I submit, when this order was passed, he was arrested, he was in detention. I just give the background of the case. He was in detention there. Thereafter, he was released as per, in the light of the Honorable Apex Court order, Lordship. And he was attending before the SP border in his district. And he was, as well as he was working for his livelihood. He didn't approach the Honorable Apex Court after dismissing this writ petition. Thereafter, he was again arrested last year, Lordship, in the month of May. And thereafter, he came to know that he had to approach. Then through some Samaritan, he had approached the Honorable Apex Court. And thereafter, he has withdrawn it with a liberty to file a review application before this Honorable Court. And I'm appearing, Lordship, as a legal aid counsel, Lordship. My humble submission is, Lordship, I do admit this, there is a lot of delay, Lordship. And the reason he has cited, because at that time, when he did not approach before the learned tribunal, Lordship, he was, and the tribunal was, I think, on transfer, and thereafter for his livelihood, he went to a different other neighboring state for his work, Lordship. He has annexed that document also along with his writ petition, Lordship. Since after filing WS, he did not appear, Lordship. My humble submission, if this delay is allowed and the review petition is registered, Lordship, one chance, Lordship, he has documents, Lordship, which he has annexed, and I have annexed along with the review petition, Lordship. Yes, I do admit, Lordship, it's more than so many years, I have no. But one humble submission is, let him appear, Lordship, let him prove his case. If he is declared foreigner, after proving his case, then definitely he may be deported. But at this time, at least one chance, Lordship.
Just a moment.
Yes, Lordship.
You see, there's no particulars where he had gone, how much time he spent when he was released.
I will bring in one additional affidavit stating all the details from his wife, Lordship, and because this was signed, the affidavit of this IA also is being signed by the wife. So I will bring additional affidavit with all the details.
But you see, he got released during the COVID pandemic period.
Yes, Lordship.
would be with sometime between 2021 and 22.
Yes, Lordship.
So now he's conducting, not filing the appeal after being on bail. How do we condone that? You see, there is no legal disability then.
Yes, Lordship. I
And when you are invoking section 5, you will also have to answer the legal disability. There was an ex parte opinion.
aspect, Lordship, with,
No, there was an ex parte opinion.
yes, Lordship.
After ex parte opinion, you came to this court in writ petition. In the writ petition, the decision against him.
Yes, Lordship.
Now, what is the error apparent on the face of record? To invoke, even to issue a notice in the condonation application, we can examine whether there is a prima facie case made out for entertaining the review petition. What is the error apparent on the face of record?
Ground
This-
which, yeah, I understood, Lordship.
No, there's a reason for asking that particular question.
Yes,
You
Lordship.
see, come to page 16.
Yes, Lordship.
Line number 5 or 4 or 5 of paragraph 7,
Yes, Lordship.
the petitioner went to his workplace for earning money, and the petitioner absolutely forgot about the said pending proceeding,
Yes, Lordship.
correct?
Yes, Lordship.
Now, when he was arrested, at least then he knew that he had to challenge the opinion, but he does not do so. That is why we are asking that question, that the legal disability went away when.
Yeah,
was
those
placed on bail.
details, Lordship, from his wife, and I'll get the details and then I'll file one detailed affidavit stating all the details and the delay caused, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Yeah. And I remember we used to, when my daughter used to watch, I used to side by side, used to watch that. Lordship, one thing, I just, honest, this thing I'd like to just, is the reason I have just off my mind. Sometimes when they come out and they regularly appear, there's one notion, because from my other clients, I know they feel that, okay, I'm regularly appearing. So this also might be, I'm not sure in this case, Lordship, but this might be also, because from the other clients, because I'm regularly attending the police station, I'm going, because if fortnightly they have to appear or weekly, they are regularly appearing. They feel that their case is over by appearing before. But this is not true. They also don't understand, Lordship. This is not on the record, but as per my experience with dealing with these cases, Lordship. And my lord. Yes, Lordship. Big deal. Yes, I understood. Yes, I understood. Yes.
What is that? What is that?
So
What did you understand?
Lawyer? Yeah, and that also I heard he did it pro bono, lordship. Lordship, as far my knowledge goes, he has appeared, this one pro bono, lordship. Yeah. Yeah, that's true, lordship, that's true. That's true. Sometimes it's very difficult to say something before the open, but yeah, ground reality.
Last occasion, in fact, your lordship was inquiring about the page 18, that judgment order of the Supreme Court. And your lordship was asking this question to my learned friend, actually, my lord, that since this review is filed on the basis of the order of the my lord Honorable Apex Court, where it is said, since some documents now relied upon before us. Yes. Yes. And my lord, that's why you. Yes. Demanding, deleting, demanding.
Yes. Oh, the SLP. SLP is the next lordship. I have the next. Yes, lordship. SLP as well as writ petition. And except 3, if I'm not wrong.
Page 112 is the affidavit, my lord. So prior to the petition, your person. Page.
Mhm.
Page 99 onwards. My lord, my submission is that, my lord, even the delay condonation may not be allowed because there is no explanation at all. There are two aspects, my lord. First of all, negligence in the first part of the tribunal, my lord. It's from 2015 to 2018. The negligence proves, my lord, or negligence in appearance. Thereafter, in filing the writ petition, also they delayed some extent. And then approaching the Honorable Supreme Court. So, and filing this review petition. So each aspect, every stage she committed, she has lapses.
Lordship. Once he finished, I would like to submit.
Yes, my lord, that is.
Lordship, I'd like to bring one additional affidavit, Lordship, because he has stated in his writ petition delay cause and subsequent delay in approaching this honorable court, the honorable apex court, as well as this honorable court. I would like to bring in an additional affidavit, and thereafter I leave up to Lordship. And Lordship. Lordship. May I submit, Lordship? Ex parte opinion was on 31/2018. Thereafter, he has filed review petition. So these all I'll bring in one additional affidavit.
Those are all, those materials are there.
Yes, and 14/9 Lordship, 14/9/2018 Lordship is opinion again subsequent dismissing his ex parte petition. Yes, page 90. And then within 1 year, he has approached this honorable court because the affidavit in the writ petition, Lordship, 10th of April 2019. So 18 September 18, and then he approached in April this honorable court, and then delay is mostly occurred from the time this writ petition was dismissed, approaching the honorable apex court. Honorable apex court he approached only after, in the month of May last year, he was arrested, and thereafter he has approached, because all along he was, after he was released, he was appearing before the concerned border branch Lordship. So otherwise, he has documents, 1954 voters list. He has his documents, Lordship, his father's document. Lordship, one chance, I will. This documents also, Lordship, which Lordship's query was there. And thereafter I inquired, and through someone I inquired, even I spoke to the junior Fazil Ivory. He said that the documents which was there in the writ petition, we relied upon that, but this was not discussed in the order. This is the reason that order was, this was the conversation between the lawyer who was assisting. So this is the reason, Lordship, because this query was also there, Lordship. And so I spoke to the lawyer also, because they also do pro bono matters, so I asked him also. So what was the, because any documents you have filed, but it was not reflected, otherwise IA would have been reflected. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lordship, because yes, Lordship, that's. And Lordship. And if it would have been a citizenship right, I won't have asked upon this honorable court so many times. Yeah. Fortunately, unfortunately, he has.
You always do your best and whatever you could, you have done it.
Yeah, understood. Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Yes.
Give it a John. You're fixing it on 26th of February. What says it represented? The prayer made by Mr. P.N. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. List the matter on 26/2/2026, like that. It made clear that the matter would not be adjourned on the next date of listing. Huh. Yes, come. Mr. Roy? Mr. Roy, this bail application is pending for some time. This is, he's accused to be an Afghan national. Petitioner claims that he's holding also an Indian passport. Now, there's an order by the Madras High Court. Page 38, it starts, relevant page is 39. We'll take you to paragraph 5.
Now you see, in this record, you will also find the passport numbers and all. Now what we need is a comparison. Because once you give those data, you will not do that comparison. That comparison has to be done by the Assam police. He's praying for bail in the matter. And this bail application, what do you call, he passed an order on notice on 9 January. Bail applications can't be kept pending for too long. Now we want this data, and mind you, Mr. Roy, when we are reading, we are doing selective reading. We really don't know what other materials are here. So you'll have to go through the record and whatever else is required. You have to get instructions and produce before us. Even you, Mr. Hazarika. For the state also, you'll have to go through it because when we read it, we don't read it so thoroughly. Some reading here and there, and therefore you'll have to find out what else is required. Please speak to people who know about this passport and all, and please obtain instructions as to what are required to compare the identity of the petitioner with Indian passport and the Afghan passport. Because here the punishment ranges from 1 to 5 years. Originally, he was detected to be a foreigner when he landed in some airport in South. From there, he was taken into custody, and then the Madras High Court found that the tribunals are also only functioning here. He was sent here. No, whatever way, the bail is not a important matter here because we are trying to get instructions with regard to the your nationality. Basically, we need the what you call a comparative study of the two fingerprint. The second is that Mr. Hazarika will have to be in contact with Mr. Roy. Once you get this, it has to be forensically examined with regard to the identity. If there is a digital database, then you don't have to spend time on the fingerprint analysis. It can be immediately done. This comparison has to be done by the what you call the forensic lab. So you'll have to make a coordinated effort to have all these things ready and make it and do it within the time frame. And please go through it because last time maybe something else we pointed out. This time maybe this got our attention. We don't know. We are not on this fake or something. That is for the trial court to decide. He is asking for bail. If his identity is different and he is a holder of Indian passport, then perhaps he can be released on bail. But if he is a foreign national, then he has to be kept in a location where you deem fit and proper. He can't have a free access to roam about in the country. Whatever way, you're not that thorough. You're not that thorough. Scared. First time in so many years I've heard this word. Huh? Give a copy. But tell us the date because it is a bail matter. Tenth. Okay. Just hear the order. If you have omitted something, please tell us. Mr. Das, we record your presence from bank bench? No. No, okay. Okay. No, I'm just asking because I've been, it's okay. Whoever is there, I'm just asking because uh, he must not think he's neglected. Heard. So there's nothing against you. This is the manner in which I relax. No, that's okay. No, that is between you two. I just told him that I relax in this manner. Unless I get a complicated environment. Heard. Mr. P.K. Roy Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard. Mr. S.S. Roy, learned CGC for respondent number 1. Mr. G. Sharma, learned standing counsel for the respondent numbers 2, 4, and 6. Ms. S. Kateki, learned standing counsel for the ECI. Respondent number 3. And Mr. H.K. Hazarika, learned government advocate appearing for respondent number 5. Next, brother. By way of this writ petition filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has prayed for bail in connection with paragraph 2 of the last order. Full stop. Notice was issued by order dated 9/1/2026. Full stop. On a perusal of the materials available on record, comma, would be appropriate to quote paragraph 5 of the order dated 29/8/2025, passed by the division bench of High Court of Madras in WB number 16370 public 2025. Mohammed Dilowar, DILOWA, and Dilowar Khan versus Union of India and others. Which was an application made by this, the present petitioner. State paragraph 5 reads as follows. Page 39. Page 5 and 6. Eight. Six. Make it 5 to 8. Next. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that insofar as his instructions is concerned, the petitioner is the holder of an Indian passport, however, the petitioner is being accused of holding a passport from the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan. And that in view of the order dated 29/8/2025, passed in WPC 16370 of 2025 by the High Court of Madras, the proceedings against the petitioner has now been initiated before the Ordnance Tribunal, Nalbari.
Nobody.
Where is that?
Page 42. And the order sheets also say that.
Ordnance Tribunal, Nalbari 1. Comma, wherein is registered as page 43. FT null case number. That's good. DC representative report filed. Next paragraph. Thus, comma, as the intention of the court is to ascertain the identity of the petitioner vis-a-vis the Indian passport number V1736451. I'm repeating again, V1736451 vis-a-vis the passport of the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan. Where is the number of that?
No, it is not there.
Not there.
The allegation is that I've given a false information.
Yeah, but you are holding a passport also, that's what the.
No, the allegation is that you are holding a passport of Afghanistan and you have twice traveled to India with that.
That
That's why we are.
that I didn't find anywhere, madam. The number I didn't find.
Yes, Afghanistan, we got it.
No,
To page 26, Mr. Roy.
that's FIR in the FIR copy.
No. What is this? I don't know.
This is the FIR copy.
I don't know. I was flipping the paper and my hand rested here. I don't know.
It starts at page 24, is the FIR.
Whatever be, but this is page 26. In the middle, you will find ABC. B is copies of Afghan passport. So and so, so and so. You seen that? No, in the middle. Chennai International Airport,
Yes.
Chennai Airport dated so and so enclosure.
Lordship.
It's not that. Passport number is there. You take this number, page 26, like. And Afghan passports within bracket. 01853371. You give a comma. P 0361 3785. The appropriate authority would also obtain information regarding the petitioner from the Chennai from police stations, capital CCB -Roman 2. in connection with FIR number 170 dated 16/12/2024. And only got from the Sub-Inspector of Police, fake passport investigation wing, Alpha ALPHA, Alpha dash 5, Central Crime Branch dash Roman 1, Chennai, which are referred to in the copy of FIR within bracket lecture 1 to the rate petition bracket close. The learned CEC as well as the learned government advocate shall take all of the necessary steps as may be required after perusal of the content, the annexes appended to the rate petition. Next, the learned counsel for the petition shall provide one copy of the rate petition to the learned CEC. Next, list the matter again on
10-2. 10-2-20.
just
11/1/21.
My lord, I have to file an 18th statement over there, otherwise it will proceed expertly. Because there is a proceeding going on in the tribunal. My lord.
So then we postpone it to 13.
13. my lord.
13.
13. My lord. Always.
So
Well-
there is some, maybe in some work assigned to me for. 13. Next panel. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the proceedings before the ordinance tribunal is being proceeded with. Accordingly, it is, as an interim measure, it is provided that in the event the petitioner makes a prayer for adjournment in connection with FT within bracket NAL bracket closed case number 50, case number N. Just see it from that order. Page 43. 2025, the said learned tribunal is requested to adjourn the matter till 16/2/2026.
Right.
Next, the petitioner is at liberty to produce the certified copy of the order before the said learned tribunal, bring the order to the notice of the said authority. List on 13/2/2026.
Always. my lord.
13.
Item 14 with item 15 for admission.
My lord, I have to go through the records. I may be given some time to peruse the records this year.
But now we have changed the rules from today.
Hmm.
I've directed my court master not to allow you access to the
Yes, that
records.
is, that has prevented us to go through the records.
Now, only with the permission, because you see, Mr. Sikdar, every day I always say to look into the records. Nobody does it. I'm wasting my energy. So now let the record not be seen unless I am aware of it. I can't do anything. Every day I can't keep on lecturing. It's not good for the bar and bench relationship. Every day to tell lawyers how to conduct themselves is not the part of our job. So we have stopped it.
I tried to go through the records.
I'm not on you personally. Something happened in the proceedings today.
My lord.
I'm
Let
happy.
me go through the records and matter be taken up, my lord, another short date within a short date.
getting
Hmm.
access. Okay, the master will give you the access.
Well,
The item 15, the opinion was challenged by my writ petition also, which is revision number 3244/2015, Your Lordship. So without the knowledge of the first application, the big petition was pending, and the same order was sealed. So I'm withdrawing this application. Otherwise, it will be very complicated, Your Lordship.
Just a moment.
The opinion dated 28/3/2017, which was under challenge in my learned Big Brother file 1 writ application 4545 of 2018, which was pending.
Okay, we permit him to withdraw.
I'm withdrawing.
Okay. Mr. R.P. Zarikal, and the counsel for the petitioner has submitted that this present writ petition was filed without he being informed of the pendency of WPC 4545 of 2018.
Yes.
Accordingly, comment is submitted that he has instructions to withdraw this writ petition. Next para. So and so appeared for the respondents. So the said prayer is considered and allowed. Accordingly, this writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Yes.
And in the first matter, item 14, say both sides are represented on the prayer made by A.R. Sikdar and counsel for the petition. The matters on the list from. Give a date and. That's a short date. Give a date.
Same opinion. Terms of excellence, pending.
11th of February. 11th. There was a request by Mrs. Chaudhary to take up her matter. Which item was yours?
36, Lordship. 36.
36.
Order matters. Review petition for the first time. Sorry, 32, Lordship.
32.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
बाकी review petitions पे आते हैं।
Mid-page, Lordship. In this case, what happened, Lordship, the petitioner contested the case before the tribunal by filing written statement, and thereafter he remained absent, Lordship. So ex parte judgment was delivered in favor of the petitioner, Lordship, declaring him as a foreigner of post 25/3/1971. Thereafter, he filed a review application with a condonation application, though those are also dismissed, Lordship. Then he filed a writ petition WPC 7581 2016. That was also dismissed on 5/1 2017, Lordship. Annexure 17 and 7, Lordship 16, page 64. Thereafter,
couldn't
the
break the-
petitioner approached.
You couldn't break the record of Rip Van Winkle. 20 years.
Lordship. But Lordship, he tried his best. In fact, Lordship, he tried his luck before the Supreme Court also. The SLP was also dismissed, and thereafter, Lordship, this case I have filed and I have directed him to obtain the certified copy of all the order sheet of the tribunal. Then I find that after filing of written statement, no date was fixed for adducing evidence, Lordship. Directly, the case proceeded for hearing, Lordship. So on that ground also, Lordship, I am praying before your Lordship to review the order of this Honorable High Court in WPC, Lordship. The High Court's order is at page 64, Lordship, Annexure 16.
Do you have a copy of the SLP with you?
SLP order, I have
No, not order, the.
copy of SLP, I don't have, Lordship, but the order passed in SLP, I have enclosed.
No, no, we are more interested in the SLP.
Lordship.
You produce a copy of the SLP next week.
Lordship.
Fixing it on Monday?
Lordship.
Fixing it on Monday?
Lordship. I have to take instruction whether SLP copy he has or not, Lordship.
Oh, he'll be having it.
Lordship.
He'll be having it.
The space 69, Lordship, the dismissal order of the SLP page annexure 17A. Delay condoned, the special leave petition is dismissed, pending applications are disposed of.
We understand. That we have seen.
Lordship.
Two thousand ten's opinion, Lordship. 2010 opinion, Lordship.
That's why we wanted to see
Approve.
what is there in the SLP.
Approved before the High Court on 2016.
That's why we want to see
Then-
what is there in the SLP.
And Lordship, the order sheet of the learned tribunal, I have enclosed, Lordship. There I have seen after the Lordship submission of the written statement, no date was fixed for the adducing evidence. Lordship. But
have they taken this close, please?
no, Lordship, after Lordship obtaining the certified copy of the order sheet only, I came to know.
Filing the petition.
No, Lordship, no, that ground was not taken, Lordship.
That leave is not there.
Yes, Lordship. Page 48 is the order sheet of the tribunal, Lordship, that is the type copy, and original is page 49 onwards, Lordship. 49. By prayer before your Lordship, only a chance may be given to prove his case, and if after filing all the
No, for
documents.
that review is only when we will have to examine if there is any patent wrong in the order.
Lordship. And there is an habeas corpus also.
Page
filed, Lordship.
72, page 72.
72.
Yeah.
Yes.
In this order, it is reflected that he was pushed back, but Lordship, he stated that he was somewhere in the area of Kukrajar, Lordship, he was sent. And in the morning, he again returned to his home, Lordship.
Okay, that is for you to examine.
Yes.
Is the, this is review petition say. The- This review petition is projected that the petitioner had opposed the Supreme Court of India and his SLP was dismissed by order dated 28/7/2017. Passed in SLP within bracket C. Diary numbers 15205/2017. Order dated 28/7/2017. Stop. I, the petitioner to produce a copy of the SLP filed before the Supreme Court of India. Next one. As paid for by land transfer to the petitioner, list on. Next one, next Monday would be 2/2026. Yes.
No, public.
Right, right. Right.
Item 28. Orders.
Huh?
Why this has come for orders?
My lord.
Why it has come for orders?
My lord, there was order for directing the SP to verify the Jamabandi copy and the school records, my lord. And earlier they are saying that they unable to produce the record of records, my lord. And my lord, this branch is also some problem, my lord. My lord, your yes, my lord, appearing on behalf of the respondent earlier. My lord. Nagaur case, report to কি হবে? I have the report, but at present, Admission matter to order.
I think I have received the report and some tax certificate has been reporting. Yes, okay.
X certificate. School certificate to back.
Yeah, that's not something happened.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, ground of review, page 13. Page 93. 93. Yes, lordship. Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
What about the delay?
Delay page 22. Rounds of delay. Page 22, para 5. 22, para 5.
Arkha.
This single bench. Please, if you want a date, please tell the court master, we'll have to adjust. There's some urgency, please tell the court master.